Save time, save money with Easywire patented technology from Rayleigh Instruments, mid-certified for billing applications. Easywire is a unique concept from Rayleigh Instruments that dramatically reduces the wiring and installation time of multifunction energy meters and current transformers, whilst also increasing safety. Here, on the left, we look at a typical installation fitting 2 standard multifunction panel meters and 2 standard 3-phase current transformers, including all the cable cutting, cable labeling, and the fitting of ferrules. On the right, we see the fitting of 2 Easywire multifunction energy meters and 2 Easywire 3-phase current transformers. There is no need for the cutting, labeling, and fitting of ferrules with Easywire, as the Easywire system utilizes pre-made plug-in wiring looms. With Easywire, you connect the pre-made meter voltage supply cable from the fused main supply to the power-in plug on the first meter. Next, plug in the pre-made meter-to-meter supply cable into the power-out plug of your first meter. Easywire meters are designed to daisy-chain power from meter to meter for up to 32 energy meters in a row. Next, you will plug in the RJ45 cable into the meter, and then plug the other end of the RJ45 cable into the Easywire current transformer. That's it, done for the connection from meter 1 to CT1. Now you plug the other end of the meter-to-meter supply cable into the power-in plug of your second energy meter. That's the power sorted. Plug in the second RJ45 cable into meter 2. Then plug the other end of the cable into your second current transformer, making sure all your cables are tidy. And that's job done. Just 7 minutes and 12 seconds. Meanwhile, back at the standard installation of the same setup, there is still quite a way to go. Each 3-phase current transformer needs 6 cables cut, labeled, and ferrules added. These also need to be screwed into the terminals, as there is no plug-in option here. This means that your engineer is on site for much longer installing the meters and CTs, and there is also more chance of an error occurring in the wiring. Another consideration is that Easywire current transformers have integral circuitry that prevents the buildup of high voltages if they are disconnected under load. No need for current transformer shorting terminals with Easywire. The proven Easywire design has been successfully in service since we launched it in 2012. The simple plug-in connection for both the current and voltage inputs and outputs makes the installation process so much quicker with reduced testing time. Easywire products are fully EMC tested and CE certified and can be supplied with or without cables to suit your requirements. Mid-certified variants of all our meters are also available. With this standard installation taking a whopping 1 hour, 50 minutes and 40 seconds against the Easywire install of just 7 minutes and 12 seconds, why aren't you using Easywire? Now let's take a closer look at our current transformers. Did you know that all Rayleigh Instruments 3-phase current transformers are designed with apertures and hole centers to mount directly under major brands of 3-phase industrial circuit breakers? These include breakers from Legrand, Hager, Schneider, Terasaki, ABB, Eaton, Chint, Koten, Fuji Electric, and many more. The current transformers in our range monitor primary currents from 32 amps up to 1600 amps and come in 6 frame sizes. We have 2 frame sizes for 160 amp breakers, 1 frame size for the most popular 250 amp breakers, 1 frame size to fit 630 amp breakers, and a frame size for 800 amp to 1600 amp breakers. We also have the baby of the bunch, which has been designed for 63 amp single or 3-phase loads with an interlocking design to fit the tight spaces in distribution boards for branch monitoring. All our 3-phase current transformers also come with bus bar fixing clamps and load direction arrows molded on the CT shoulder to aid with correct installation. For retrofitting applications, we also have a mini 3-phase split core solution, which also has integral overload protection and Easywire connectivity. To complement our Easywire CTs, we have a range of panel mounting and DIN rail mounting Easywire energy meters. These are able to monitor a single 3-phase input, 2 3-phase inputs, or 4 3-phase inputs from a single energy meter, thus enabling more CTs to be monitored by fewer meters. This can massively cut down on the amount of space required for your energy meters and it also reduces the power needed to supply them. Easywire, it's still the original and best.